Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will see how we can create tables using the data types which we have seen in our previous video. So first we'll see the syntax, that is create table, table name, so the name of the table which you want to create, column, data type. So you can have n number of columns and you have to specify column name followed by its data type. Okay, so and at last you have to close this bracket and give a semicolon here. So let's see the first example. Create table, these are keywords. This is the table name. Okay, so we are using person's table name, and this is the column name, and this is its data type. So id column which has int data type, and last name column which has varchar 255 size, and first name varchar 255, address varchar 255, city varchar 255. And remember, always for the last column you should not give any comma here. So then close the bracket and give semicolon. Now if you execute this create query, you will get a table like this. So later we can insert data into these tables. And next one, create table, schedule is the table name, column name is id int, and subject name is the column name, and varchar 35 is its data type. And next we have days column name. So here we have using enum data type. So this is how you will be using enum. So enum is the keyword which you have to specify, and inside this enum, so you can have values which you want to use in your table. So you can have any value, like I am using Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday only. Okay, so you can have a number of values in enum. So basically it means that for days column, whatever value is mentioned in enum only you will be using. Okay, that is you will be inserting. You can also insert, okay, you cannot insert any other value other than what is mentioned in this enum. If you insert any other value, it will be blank. Okay, so next we'll see create table attendance. So here we are creating a table called attendance, and it has id column, name column, date column. Okay, so date column, that is date is the name of the column. Okay, and its data type is also date, so it will be storing date. Okay, and boolean, next one is boolean. So boolean, we know it will store either 0 or 1. So this is how the table structure will be. Now let's see how we can create insert queries for all these columns, that is all these tables. Okay, so first one is insert into persons. Persons is the table which we have created first. Okay, so id, last, it has id, last name, first name, address and city columns, and then you have to specify values. So here we are inserting 1, and for varchar columns, all these are varchar columns, so we are inserting values according to the column names we have specified. Okay, so this is one type of insert, creating insert query or writing insert query, we can say, that is specifying all its columns followed by values keyword and all the values for those columns. Okay, next so insert into schedule is the table name. It has 3 columns and values. So here we are continuously inserting values, like till this it's same as the previous query, but here we are giving comma and we are giving the second set of values, that is values for second row. Okay, or second record. So similarly we can give n number of records, that is we can insert n number of records into the table, like at a time. Okay, and that is using this way. And so if you are going to insert values for all the records, that is all the columns in the table, then you don't need to specifically mention all the column names, like here or here you don't need to mention all the columns. Okay, so instead of mentioning these column names, here we are simply saying insert into table name values, and we are giving the values. Okay, so this is another way of inserting. Now for the third table, that is attendance, So we have date column here, right? So to insert values for date column, you have to specify value like this, that is year, month and date. Okay, so otherwise you can also do this now. Okay, you can specify now and followed by brackets. So now will insert current date into the table. Okay, so I hope you guys understood whatever we have discussed in this video. So let's see in the next video.